How to restore deleted files from your OneDrive. Accidentally vaporizing a critical client deliverable, project folder, or irreplaceable creative asset from your drive sends an immediate wave of panic through your system. Because OneDrive real-time mirroring means local deletions wipe the file off your cloud server simultaneously, you might think your progress is gone forever. Don't freeze. Microsoft built a multi-layered fail-safe architecture beneath your storage bins. And today we are executing a surgical recovery operation to pull your deleted assets back from the dead. Alright, so when your local file recovery tools fail, we need to bypass your operating system entirely and tap directly into Microsoft's backend cloud service. So just like me, open up your browser, go to onedrive.com, this address, or just live.com, and then navigate here and select and log in with your account. Then guys, just navigate to the recycle bin. And you can scan the grid list of deleted data components. When you find your missing files, check the circle badge next to their names and click the restore button right here. For example, to restore the screenshot that I've deleted, you just choose it and then press on this restore with this kind of arrow back into the left, restore. Okay, so it's updating the file. Go to my files now. And as you can see, now I have my screenshot fully accessible. It's not destroyed or corrupt. It's fully here. You can access the file. Then if your file is completely missing from the standard trash bin because you hit a permanent deletion shortcut or cleared the deck, Microsoft keeps a secret secondary insurance layer active. And then you can just find, if you have that of course in your account, a small blue text link labeled second stage recycle bin, and then just click it. And in there you can just find your files and assets and hit restore to force the cloud architecture to reconstruct your file streams completely. Also guys, don't forget, as you can see, we have this button show personal vault items. So if you've deleted some of the files from your personalized locked with your password vault, click on the vault here so that the files that have been deleted also show in this list. And that's it. The exact second the server finishes the fallback processing pass, your files will pop right back into your local PC hard drive with a green sync checkmark. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy, stay safe with your files, don't lose them. As always, like and subscribe. See you soon.